Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful and simple beanie hat with a beautiful stitch that's called waffle stitch. For this hat, I used a worsted weight yarn and number 4.5 millimeters hook for this part, the brim of the hat, and number 5 millimeters hook for the body. And this hat is a bottom-up hat, and we first make the brim in 5 rounds, and after that start the body and repeat 2 rounds of this pattern to reach the desired height. I made that for adult size, but you can make this beautiful hat for each size you want. If you're ready, let's get started. We should start this hat from the bottom. So with smaller hook, make 1 slip knot and then make 2 chain. Then yarn over, insert hook into first chain and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through first loop only, and then yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. This is the first double crochet, and this is the first chain below that. Actually, we want to make double crochets and chains at the same time for the brim of the hat. For next double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook under both loops of this chain below the first double crochet here, grab the yarn, pull through 1 to create next chain, then pull through 2 and pull through 2. This is the second double crochet, and that's the second chain below that. Again, yarn over, insert the hook under both loops of this chain below the second double crochet here, grab the yarn, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. This is the third double crochet and third chain below that. And we should repeat this work and make next double crochet into previous chain below the previous double crochet. Pull through 1 to create next chain, pull through 2 and pull through 2. And repeat that work and make next double crochet under 2 loops of previous chain below previous double crochet, and continue to these double crochets, the length of these double crochets, reach the desired circumference, and the number of these double crochets should be a multiple of 4. Now I have 72 double crochets. That's a multiple of 4, and the length of these double crochets is fitted to my circumference. Now I want to join the last double crochet to first double crochet, so put my finger on these stitches and pull down to not twist them, and at the end make 1 slip stitch at top of first double crochet, not into these 2 chains at the beginning, here at top of first double crochet, grab the yarn and pull through. And this is the first round of my brim, and I should attach this tail here below the last stitch. I will join that at the end and start the second round of the brim with 1 chain. Now make 1 front post double crochet around first double crochet, same stitch here, and 1 front post double crochet around next double crochet. Then make 1 back post double crochet around next 2 stitches, yarn over, insert the hook from back to front to back around next stitch, and grab the yarn, pull through and pull through 2, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert the hook around next stitch, and complete the back post double crochet. Now I have 2 front posts and 2 back posts. I should repeat that work. Make 1 front post double crochet around next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and then make 1 back post double crochet around next 2 stitches. And repeat that work. 1 front post, again 1 front post, then 1 back post, and again 1 back post, and continue this sequence until the end. Okay, now I'm at the end. Make a slip stitch at top of first front post double crochet, and round 2 is finished. Make 1 chain to start round 3, and then make 1 front post double crochet around first 2 front post double crochets of previous round. 1 and 2. Then make 1 back post double crochet around each of next 2 back posts. 1 and 2. And then repeat that work. Make 1 front post double crochet around each front post double crochet and 1 back post double crochet around each back post double crochet, and continue this work. And at the end, attach to first front post double crochet, and after that repeat this round 3 2 more times to have 5 rounds totally for the brim of the hat. Now the brim of the hat is ready, and I should start the body from here with larger hooks. So remove the hook and continue my work with larger hook. Make 1 chain and then 1 front post double crochet around first 2 stitches, then make 1 double crochet at top of next 2 back posts. Yarn over, insert hook under both loops of that, make 1 double crochet and again 1 double crochet at top of next back post double crochet, and repeat that work. 1 front post double crochet around each of next 2 front posts, 1 and 2, and 1 double crochet at top of each of next 2 back posts, 1 and 2. One more time. 1 front post, again 1 front post, 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet. And we should repeat this sequence until the end of the round. Now at the end of first round of the body, make 1 slip stitch at top of first front post double crochet. Start round 2 with 1 chain and then make 1 double crochet at top of each of first 2 front posts. Yarn over, insert the hook into first stitch at top of that, make 1 double crochet, then make 1 double crochet at top of next front post double crochet. Don't make front post double crochet, okay? Then go to next 2 double crochets, make 1 back post double crochet around each of them. Yarn over, insert the hook around that, make 1 back post and again 1 back post double crochet around the next stitch. One more time. Make 1 double crochet into next 2 front posts. Don't make front post double crochet around these 2 front posts, and then make 1 back post double crochet around next 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Again, 1 double crochet at top of next 2 front posts, 1 back post double crochet around next 2 front double crochets, and repeat that work. In this round, we should make 1 double crochet into each front post double crochet and 1 back post double crochet around each double crochet and continue until the end. Now at the end of round 2 of the body, make 1 slip stitch at top of first double crochet. Start round 3 with 1 chain and repeat round 1 of the body. Make 1 front post double crochet around these 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and then make 1 double crochet at top of these 2 back posts, 1 and 2. Again, 1 front post double crochet around each of next 2 double crochets, and 1 double crochet at top of next 2 back posts, 1 and 2. One more time, 1 front post, 1 front post, 1 double crochet, and 1 double crochet, and repeat this sequence until the end. Round 3 is finished. Make 1 slip stitch at top of first front post, and then repeat round 2. Make 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet at top of the first 2 front posts, and 1 back post double crochet around next 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Again, 1 double crochet at top of next 2 front posts, and 1 back post double crochet around next 2 double crochets, and continue this work. And you can see these waffles are created on the work when you repeat these 2 rounds. Actually, we should repeat these 2 rounds, round 2 and round 3, to make waffle stitches on the work, and continue these 2 rounds several times until the height of the hat reaches the desired size. Okay, I repeated those 2 rounds to reach the desired height, and now I should decrease the top of the hat. Make 1 chain and 1 front post double crochet around these 2 stitches at the same time. Yarn over, insert the hook from front to back to front around both of first stitches, and grab the yarn, pull through, and complete the front post double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet at top of each of next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Again, 1 front post double crochet around next 2 double crochets at the same time, and 1 double crochet at top of each of next 2 back post double crochets, 1 and 2, and continue this work. 1 front post double crochet around next 2 stitches, and 1 double crochet at top of next 2 back posts, and repeat this sequence until the end. Now at the end, make 1 slip stitch at top of first front post, and start next round with 1 chain and 1 double crochet at top of same stitch. Then make 1 back post double crochet around both of next 2 stitches at the same time. Yarn over, insert hook from back to front to back around both of these 2 stitches. Grab the yarn, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Again, 1 double crochet at top of next front post, and 1 back post double crochet around both of next 2 stitches at the same time, and repeat that work. 1 double crochet at top of next front post, 1 back post double crochet around next 2 stitches, and continue this work until the end. At the end, make a slip stitch into first double crochet, then make 1 chain and make 1 front post double crochet around next 2 stitches. this first double crochet and next back post double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook around both of them and make one front post double crochet. Again, insert the hook around next 2 stitches at the same time and make one front post double crochet. One more time, insert the hook around both of next 2 stitches and complete front post double crochet and continue this sequence until the end. At the end, made one slip stitch at top of first stitch, and if this hole for you is even big, you can repeat this round one more time, make one front post double crochet around each of these 2 front posts, and again one front post around each of next 2 front posts, and repeat that work until the end. And now fasten off and leave a long tail and cut the yarn. Pull this yarn, and then we should turn the work and with a tapestry needle weaving this tail through all stitches of the last round. And for this part, the first round, we should insert the hook under both loops of last chain that's below this last double crochet, and grab the yarn, pull through, and after that insert the hook under front loop of the first chain below the first double crochet and grab the yarn and pull through to make one extra chain here, this chain, and then tie this tail and after that hide that through the stitches, and after closing the top of the hat you can attach a pom-pom. And now this is my beautiful and simple beanie hat at the end. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave a comment. Have a nice day.